Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and boom, you just made $300 while you were asleep. No boss, no long hours, no stress. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, it's not only possible, it's happening every single day. And the best part, you don't need any skills, no fancy degrees, no big investments. Just the laziest way to make $300 a day online, even as a total beginner. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated make money online strategies, don't worry. This is easy. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to start making money today. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Hot beverage. All right, let's kick things off with step 1, choosing the laziest method to make money online. Trust me, this is going to be easier than you think. First, let's talk about passive income. Most online income methods require constant effort, but we're focusing on the ones that let you earn while you sleep. Here are 3 of the laziest ways to hit $300 per day. 1. Print-on-demand pod. You create a simple design once, and it keeps selling forever on t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. 2. Affiliate marketing. Share a link, and every time someone buys, you get a commission. No product creation, no customer service, just passive income. 3. Selling digital products. Create something once, like an ebook or a template, and sell it over and over again. We'll break each of these down and see how they work, step by step. Did you know that the digital economy is growing at twice the rate of the traditional economy? That means more opportunities for you to jump in now and make money effortlessly. The beauty of online income is that it compounds. A single product or post might not make you a fortune overnight, but as you stack multiple income streams, your earnings grow exponentially. Now that we've picked our method, let's move to step 2, setting up print-on-demand. This is where you create your first design and start earning passive income. Let's say you upload a simple text design that says, "I love coffee." Every time someone buys a shirt with your design, you make $5 to $10 profit. And guess what? You never have to handle shipping, customer service, or even touch the product. Companies like Printify and Redbubble do all the work for you. White heavy checkmark lazy setup. Create a few designs using Canva, a free tool. White heavy checkmark upload to Printify or Redbubble. White heavy checkmark promote on TikTok or Pinterest for free. Example, a student made $15,000 in 3 months just by selling simple text-based t-shirts. Imagine what just 10 good designs could do for you. If you want to maximize sales, try uploading different variations of the same design. Add slight color changes or different fonts. The more options, the more chances you have to make money. Pro tip: use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate unique designs automatically. This way, you save time while earning more. Secret hack: niche down. Instead of generic designs, target specific communities: dog lovers, gamers, fitness enthusiasts, or book lovers. These passionate groups buy more frequently. Great job so far. In step 3, we'll explore affiliate marketing, the ultimate copy and paste money-making strategy. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate lazy money-making method because you don't need a product, a website, or any experience. Just grab a link and share it. Simple. Lightbulb example. Let's say you promote a product from Amazon or ClickBank that pays you a $30 commission. You need just 10 sales a day to hit $300. How to do it? White heavy checkmark, pick a product from Amazon Associates, Digistore, 24, or ClickBank. White heavy checkmark, post a simple review video on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. White heavy checkmark, drop your affiliate link in the comments or bio. Example: a guy on TikTok made $20,000 in commissions just by reviewing Amazon gadgets in 30-second videos. No inventory, no customer support, just making videos from his phone. The best part? These videos keep making money even while he sleeps. Try using ChatGPT to generate engaging product descriptions. Post these on blogs, social media, or forums like Reddit. More exposure equals more commissions. Extra tip: you can automate your affiliate marketing process using AI tools like Jasper AI to generate content faster. More content equals more sales. Don't just promote one product. Create comparison lists. Top 5 gadgets under $50 or best budget laptops in 2025 get more engagement and clicks. Ready for step 4? This is where we dive into selling digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it forever. White heavy checkmark ebooks. White heavy checkmark templates, resumes. Business cards. Instagram post designs. White heavy checkmark online courses. Lightbulb example, a girl made over $50,000 selling Instagram story templates on Etsy. She created them once and now makes passive income every single day. How to start? White heavy checkmark, use Canva to create a digital product. White heavy checkmark, listed on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. White heavy checkmark, use Pinterest or Instagram to drive free traffic. If you don't want to create your own digital products, you can buy PLR private label rights products, rebrand them, and sell them as your own. Set up a subscription-based model for templates or ebooks. This way, instead of one-time sales, you get recurring income every month. Finally, in step 5, I'll share the simplest strategy to get your first $300. By the end of this step, you'll have everything you need to start making money today. If you want to make money starting today, here's the best strategy. KeyCap 1, pick one method, print on demand. Affiliate marketing or digital products. KeyCap 2, spend 1 hour setting it up. KeyCap 3, post content daily on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest, 100% free traffic. KeyCap 4, stay consistent for 30 days. Your first $300 will come faster than you think. Remember, most people quit too soon. The difference between winners and losers? Winners just keep going. And now, you have everything you need to start today. Bonus strategy. Want faster results? Try running $5 a day ads on TikTok or Facebook. Even a small budget can bring in thousands of views and more sales. Extra tip. Use email marketing to build an audience. Even with just 1,000 engaged subscribers, you can make over $10,000 per month consistently. Now, here's the deal. Making $300 a day online in 2025 is easier than ever. But you have to take action. Watching videos won't make you money, but starting today will. So, which method will you try first? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more lazy money-making methods. Rocket, drop, I'm ready in the comments if you're serious about making money online. Clapperboard, fire. Remember, success isn't about luck. It's about taking action. See you at the top. Rocket.